Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Govee Lyra Floor Lamp to DreamView. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you have a Govee Lyra Floor Lamp on both sides of your TV, and you also have the Govee TV Backlight 3. How do you actually go ahead and connect it to DreamView? So in order to do this, let's make sure that all our devices are connected to the TV, or connected to the Govee Home app, which includes your TV backlight and also your Govee Lyra Floor Lamp. Then on the bottom left-hand corner, click on the circle icon, then click on DreamView. So on this page here, click on Manage the device, and then select your Lyra Floor Lamp. Then click on Confirm. So based on where your floor lamp is located, you want the colors on the example image to match the floor lamp. So here we have our Lyra Floor Lamp, and it's to the left side of our TV. So what you'll do is that you'll click 1, and then I like to choose the first 2 segments, then I click 10, then choose the middle 2 segments, then I click 9, and then I choose the last 2 segments, and then click on Confirm. And so with this setting, click on Confirm, and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect your Govee Lyra Floor Lamp to DreamView. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.